How to add audio to your project in Canva. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open any web browser on your device. Then in search address bar, type down the Canva and navigate to the official Canva website. And make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Now, once inside the Canva, simply create or open your existing project. Here, I am simply tapping on my existing project, but if you want to create a new one, then you can see create a new project option available there. Now, once inside the project, simply tap on the upload in the left hand sidebar. Once you tap on the upload, you will get to see some options available in there, which mentions the audio as well. Then tap on the audio. Then click upload files and choose an MP3, WAV or MP4 file from your desktop if you want to. Then once uploaded, click on the audio file to add it to your project. You can add multiple audio tracks by layering them on different pages, but I do not have any audio on my device right now, so I'm choosing the audio inside the Canva. Now tap on the elements option available there, scroll down, then tap on the audio. Then you can simply tap on the see all option available there and navigate to the list of audios available in Canva. From there, you can search or scroll down and tap on one of them. Here, I'm simply choosing the first one for an example. Now, once you do so, it will be added to your project. You can also click on track or adjust the audio length by dragging the waveform at the bottom as well. Canva Pro users have access to larger audio library, since you can see there is crown option available right next to most of the audios. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.